Hey guys, I welcome you again in this another tutorial video, and that's where we will see that how we can code in Java or how we can start with Java. So for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. So now I hope you all are doing great and ready to learn. So let's see this video. But first of all, let's go ahead and check out the agenda. So here we have the agenda for the video guys. First of all, we will see that what is Java. After that, we'll discuss why Java is so popular. And at last, we'll see the first Java program. So guys, what is Java? Java is nothing but just a popular programming language created in 1995 and right now it is owned by Oracle. What we can do with Java? So it allows us to play online games, chat with people around the globe and view 3D images. And Java works on WORA, which means we can write the Java code once and we can run it anywhere on any machine where JRE means Java Runtime Environment is available. So guys, why Java is so popular? Java has an immense popularity because of its platform independence or you can say multi-form support. As we already discussed the WORA, Java programs are able to execute on different machines as long as there is a JRE, which means Java Runtime Environment. So you can write Java code once and you can use it on any machine where JRE is available. And this is the best thing about Java and this is why Java is so popular. Now let's go ahead and see a practical exam or see a program that how we can write our first program in Java. So guys, to create our first Java program, I'm using this IntelliJ IDEA, which is one of the best IDE in the market. There are others as well like Eclipse, and if you don't have one, you can go to the dedicated website and you can download it for free. So in IntelliJ IDEA, to create the first Java program, we have to click on this new project and we'll get this window. We'll keep it default because it's asking for the languages. Here it is asking us if you want the template. So yes, we do want a template. We'll check here and we'll say the next. Here it is asking us to put a project name. So we say X, Y, Z, then we say hello and we'll hit enter. This will give us a mini template here, and in this template we have this package name that says com.myprojects. We have a class, the class name is main, and we have this main function. I believe you remember that in C++ to print a message we used to say system, we used to say cout, but in Java we say system.out.println. So let's go ahead and just say system.out.println, and in the brackets we'll say hello to the user, and it's a statement, so don't forget to put the semicolon. So this is how you write your simple first Java program, and you can go ahead and run this using this icon. So here we have the output that says hello user because this is what we asked to print. So guys, this is all how you write your first Java program. I believe it was simple. I have many other videos of for the Java beginners. You can just go to my Java playlist and you can use those videos for your help. That's all for this. Catch you in the next. Bye bye.